These Ras el Hanout chicken thighs are the perfect weeknight meal. They come together in under 30 minutes and require just 3 ingredients. And the result is this super flavorful, super juicy chicken. Start by patting dry the chicken with paper towels. Now I'm using chicken thighs because I think they are super juicy and delicious, but you could use any cut of chicken that you like. From there, we're going to add our olive oil, and you're just gonna rub this on all of your chicken until it is evenly coated. And from there, we're ready to add our Ras el Hanout. And Ras el Hanout, for those of you who don't know, is a North African spice blend. It usually includes paprika, cumin, cayenne, cinnamon. There's all kinds of different variations. I have a recipe if you want to make your own, or you can usually find it at many different grocery stores. So again, you'll just coat the chicken with this spice blend. Make sure you get under the skin, up in every nook and cranny. And then we'll bake at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes, or until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Now today I'm serving this with some freshly cooked couscous, some arugula, a lemon vinaigrette, and then a good squeeze of fresh lemon juice. And I love how the citrusy flavors from the lemon and the dressing complement the smoky, spicy spice blend. But you could pair this with really anything. It goes great with roasted veggies, with rice, you name it.